Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to create the viral apple liquid glass effect in After Effects. First, we're starting with a fresh shape layer. Enable the fill, pick a clean white color, and make sure the stroke is disabled. Go ahead and draw your shape. This is going to be the foundation of the glass. Now open the shape properties and bump up the roundness. I'm setting mine to 40 pixels, but feel free to tweak that depending on your design. Now, rename the shape layer to Glass. Duplicate this layer and rename the copy as Reflection. Duplicate it once more and name the new one Stroke. Finally, turn off the visibility of the stroke and reflection layers for now. Let's focus on the glass layer first. Search for and apply the Fast Box Blur effect. Set the blur radius to 20, and the iterations to 10, this gives it that smooth, glassy softness. Adjust these values depending on how soft or sharp you want the look. Now, add the brightness and contrast effect. Just a slight bump in brightness is enough to give it that glowing edge. After that, convert the layer to adjustment layer. You should now start seeing a glass-like appearance. Now, turn on the reflection layer. Then right-click it and head over to Layer Styles and choose Inner Glow. Open the Inner Glow settings. Change the blend mode to normal and set the color to white. Before adjusting the glow size, change the reflection layer's shape color to black. This helps you better see the glow effect. Then, increase the size value of the glow to your liking. Now go back to the glass layer and apply the displacement map effect. For the source, select the reflection layer. Then turn off the visibility of the reflection layer and enable Effects and Masks in the displacement settings. Now increase both max horizontal and max vertical displacement to enhance the distortion. Next, turn on the stroke layer. Disable the fill and enable stroke. This will add a nice outline to your shape. Now go back to the glass layer again and apply the noise effect. Set the noise value between 5 and 10 for a subtle texture. Your liquid glass effect is now ready. There are many ways to achieve this look, so feel free to experiment with the settings for even better results. If this tutorial helped you, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what effect you want next. I'll catch you in the next one.